the only gift my mom ever gave me, a hat. That makes you invisible. You put it on and no one sees it. Seems appropriate. Have always been a smart girl. Always made the grade, always got the gold star. I've always been a smart girl. Smart girl never gets a girl so far.